they are doing here is meet and greet. Meet and greet.
She walks like a queen.
Meet and greet is still going on while they are arranging Ebo. Ebo is our cultural festival. So they are planning to organize people that will beat the drum and the people that are going to dance it. So that is what is going on now. So we are waiting. We are going to cover everything. Yes, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Here, our Ebucha. Our Ebucha.
Now the party can start.
Yes, so say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
You still have arrived.
Yes.
Now the party can start.
Yes, so. Okay, okay.